Kata kata eh. Now for your hand, every bad thing they come. You too like it to suck blood. Abanya baka. You be a wicked man. Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything they turn am up and down. Your life is too strange. Your life is too bad. Everything they turn am upside down.
He's back. And he said I should come and call you.
Okay.
See your face. You're smiling. Let's go now.
You know my mother is not feeling fine. I'll come later.
I know, but just 5 minutes. We're back.
Okay, let me tell my mother.
I'm waiting.
Mama, please, I'm coming. I want to go and bring something. I'm coming. Sorry. Mama, please now. I'll soon come back. 2 minutes.
Oh, sorry, Mom. I'm coming.
Where do you think you are going? Huh?
Papa, I want to go and bring something somewhere.
Will you come back here and take care of your mother? Huh?
Well, please now. I'm coming now, 1 minute.
Chisom, thank you for responding to my call. I didn't know you were going to respond to it.
Why won't I?
Well, the most important thing is that you're here. And thank you very much for coming.
You're welcome.
Chisom, is everything alright? Because you're not sounding bright at all.
Did my friend tell you that my mother is sick?
Your mother?
My mother is very, very sick. She's in pains.
Your mother is sick? No, she did not tell me. She did not tell me.
That woman is suffering.
So how is she now? How is your mom?
I don't know what else to do. Nobody is there to help us. My father does not want to help us.
Have you given her any treatment or better still taking her to the hospital?
What medications? Which hospital? Where is the money? There's no money. Can't you get it? There's no money. We don't have money to go to the hospital.
It's okay.
You're a lifesaver. Thank you very much, and God will bless you.
It's okay, it's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing, we're friends. Have you forgotten?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My son.
Papa?
You said you wanted to see us. I hope there is no problem.
Papa, no problem. No problem at all. Mama?
Yes, sir.
I have seen the girl I want to get married to.
Hey! Thank God!
Yes, Papa.
Go make him now.
Papa, thank you.
That's good. Good news. Good news indeed.
Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa.
So, who could this girl be? And is she from this village?
Papa, one question at a time. You see, I've been seeing this girl for a while, but I've been watching her. I just wanted to be sure of her before I can bring her and introduce her to you people. Yes, Papa, and I'm sure now. That is why I'm telling you.
Who is she now? Tell us.
Do you know why?
Who is she?
Mama, her name is Chisom.
Chisom.
Chisom Chief Inserim's daughter.
Enough, son. Hey, don't go there, son. No. Don't go there.
Why, Papa?
My son, don't go there. But
My
why?
son, you cannot marry from that family.
Mama, why? For obvious reasons. Look, my son. Nothing good comes from that family. As I'm talking to you now, the father does not associate with us in this community. But why? Just because the Igbo and we, his cabinet members, refuse to give support to all his evil deeds in the village.
Papa, I still don't understand. I still don't understand at all. I still don't understand.
My son, I cannot deceive you. You are my only son. Your father cannot deceive you. Huh? You see, the chief you know is an evil man. Son, do you know that he is single-handedly possessed and sold about 30 plots of land belonging to the entire village? And nobody dares him. Because those who tried to confront him ended up dying mysteriously.
Papa, what has all this got to do with me?
Everything has to do with it.
Everything. That family is evil.
Ah!
Mama.
Ogo, listen, let me tell you. Her mother gave birth to 4 male children. They all died before their 2nd or 3rd birthday.
Mama.
It is said that their father used them for sacrifice.
You had her. She's correct. Yes.
It's even said that the man belongs to a dangerous secret cult.
In fact, I have heard enough. Okay, I've heard enough. It's okay. It's okay, please.
Sit down. My son, sit down. Sit down, my son. An elder does not stay at home and go deliver at a time. Please sit down. That place is a no-go area. You're not going to marry from there, period. Yes, sit down.
Please, you can't.
How can we deceive you? We are your parents. No other son, no other daughter.
My son. Chai. God will bless you. Hey. How is the business doing?
Mama, my business is fine.
Thank God. And your family?
They're very well. My family, we are okay. They're very fine.
Oh, thank God.
Mama, and I hope you're taking your drugs seriously, so you can get well again.
My son, as you can see, I'm getting better each day.
No.
Taking care of myself.
She doesn't take her drugs. She doesn't take it on time. Even sometimes she does not even take at all. You have to tell her.
Don't mind that.
Mama, try and be taking your drugs.
Look at me. Am I not doing well?
Mama, be taking your drugs.
What is that?
Pa, welcome.
No, I know. No.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down. Look, let them inside
Take
now.
this inside. Papa.
Ugochukwu, where are you coming from? I said, where are you coming from, Ugochukwu?
Papa, I am coming from the city. Why all these questions?
You are lying and you know it.
Ugochukwu, so it has gotten to the extent that we, your parents, do not count, right? Huh?
Papa, I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand what you're talking about. You're my family. You're my only family.
Ugochukwu, so now, Chisom and her family now take the first priority. You now go to see them before you come back to see us, your real parents.
Papa, it is not as you see it. It's not like that. I only went there
To do what? To do what? Tell us. So after how we have warned you to stay away from that family, you're still going there.
Mama, I like her.
Huh? You had him. You had your son. Now, woman, warn your son. He's digging his grave. Oh. Warn him now. Oh. Before it's too late. I'm off to meet you.
Don't mama me.
Mama. Mama. Shine, baby.
Oh, this is nice, honey. Just leave it like that. I would have loved to go inside, but the weather is too hot.
Oh,
This is natural air. It is cool for you, and you will like it.
Okay. But I need hand fan.
Shine, shine, baby, move.
Push it out.
Ooh. If I can find it here. All right, I am coming. I will get it for you.
Our village don't see we. Our village don't see we. Yeah. Madam shine shine, Madam shine shine, Madam shine shine. If you want to push up your Madam shine shine, Aburuni charo begoru, Madam shine shine, Aburuni chari begoru no ne noaji.
Hey, Chief, have you noticed something about your daughter Chisom?
I don't have time. That's her business. I don't have time for her.
You mean you've not noticed the expensive hair and dress she's putting on?
What is my business? I didn't even give her money.
Chief, that hair is expensive.
Shine,
very expensive.
Shine.
I am sure she's beginning to sleep around with men.
Let her. That's her business. I
push it out.
Thank you very much for the phone. Hi. So I have a phone now.
You know I'll be leaving the village in 2 days' time. So I don't want to miss your sweet voice. So anytime I want to speak to you, I want to hear your voice, I will just call you.
Good job. Do I have a sweet voice?
No one has told you that.
No. Go, you're just flattering me.
I am not.
You're just flattering me, I know.
I'm not. I have a very sweet voice.
Hey. Thank you.
Yeah, the same is inside already.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
So if you want to talk to me, you can just flash me. I'll call you.
Okay, I'll flash you. I'll not flash you, I'll call you.
No, flash me, I'll call you.
Okay.
Love one thing.
Chisom, this one is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you ask him how much you bought the phone?
No, it's a gift now. Why would I ask him how much he bought me a phone?
My friend, you are lucky.
Thank you.
You are lucky.
What if he decides to come and marry me? What is my fate?
Your father, right?
That wizard.
Don't worry, eh? This one will not be like that. God will turn his mind in your favor.
Not only his heart, his head. Should turn his head to face the other side.
Chisom. Anyway, what about himself?
He has gone back. Oh.
When now?
Yesterday.
And you didn't tell me.
Is he your boyfriend?
It's our friend.
Our boyfriend.
Mama, how are you today?
My daughter, I am fine. I'm fine, I'm getting stronger. Except the pain I still feel in my chest area.
No. I'm sorry.
No.
You'll be fine. It's gradually. I know that very soon you'll be back on your feet again. Oh?
Mama.
No.
Nne has good news for you.
Good news? No. You have good news. What is it?
My husband people are coming next week for my honeymoon.
Oh, hi. This is good news. I love this type of news. It makes me happy. Very, very well. Oh, that is good. Sit down, let me pray for both of you.
Okay.
My God will bless you.
Amen.
Your husbands will love you.
Amen.
You will not have the kind of husband that I had.
Amen.
Amen.
Oh, amen.
For your husbands, daughters and sons.
She's a troublesome woman, Yoko. Madam Shine Shine, Madam Shine Shine, Sharp Sharp. Madam Shine Shine.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Madam, what is it?
My money, Lady Shine Shine.
Your money? Which money?
Eh? You are asking me what money? Are you asking me what money?
Please. I'm trying to remember. I mean, what are you talking about?
Don't just pretend you don't know you're owing me. Because it's obvious you're trying to play a smart one on me here. No wonder you've been avoiding my drinking bar.
Madam, if only you just calm down and make me remember. I can't remember owing you.
Bia, Lady Shine Shine, Kobo Auntie Shine Shine, Pico, Nyemegum. Just give me my money. That is all I want from you, please.
Okay. How much are we talking about?
My money is 3,050 naira. That is my money.
3,050 naira. Is that why you're running your mouth?
You're even insulting me on top my money, Abi. Because you got me a gum. Give me my money.
Do you know you're talking to Auntie Sunshine?
And so, if on our warehouse, is it not you? Come. I know they run charity organization. You they hear me?
Now, Auntie Sunshine, you they deal with you.
I know. You know remember.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's only you. Auntie Sasa, you want me to give you Sasa job? 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 Auntie Sasa.
My leg. My soaking. What is it? Why are you shaking your leg now? Cold. Cold.
Hello. Yeah, Chisom, is everything alright?
Hello, Gochku, are you here? Gochku, please come to my house now. My mother is not feeling fine, My mother is dying. She's dying. Please, I beg you.
Calm down, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming.
Yes, please. Yeah, Mama, please. Mama, please, don't receive you. Mama, me para mi amigo. Mama, please.
Maggie, oh, Nyami. Come and see Maggie, oh, Coco.
Mama, please, can I have the car keys?
You're not going anywhere.
Mama, Chisom and her mother, they're not sounding fine. I need to go there right away.
Do I look like I care? Ugom, you're not going anywhere.
Mama, please, can I have the car keys? Mama, give me the car keys.
Beat me and collect the car keys. Tiemnu. Beat me.
Mama, can I have the car keys?
No.
No. Boil it and eat.
Ugo.
Boil it and eat.
Ugo! Ugo, come back here! Come back here, Ugo!
Love on one tinti, Ugo, love on one tinti, Ugo,
Chisom, you sounded urgent on phone. You almost got me scared. What is it?
I know. My mother was shivering at that time that I called you and I was scared. Her legs were getting cold, very, very cold. So I didn't know what to do. So I decided to call you to see if you can help out in any way.
So how is your mother now?
She's better. At least she's sleeping.
Chisom, I know your mom is sick. And that's why I'm still insisting that we take her to the hospital. Or better still, let me take her to the city and give her a proper medical care.
You lie, young man. You lie. Whose permission do you have to take another man's wife to the city? Huh? What nonsense!
Papa.
Don't papa me.
Sir, that is not what I meant.
Get out of this compound! I say get no! What nonsense!
Papa, I don't like this.
I don't like this.
Papa, I don't like what you're doing.
So what are we going to do, Chisom? See, with everything that we're saying now, you will know that your father does not wish your mother well at all. He doesn't want her to get well. But all we need to do is for us to look for a solution, to look for a way to help her.
Gochku, I don't know what to do anymore. I just don't know what to do. I'm asking me Fengeme. I don't know what my father wants from us. Maybe he wants to kill us or whether I miss Rego. I don't know.
Chisom, this is not the time for you to start getting confused. No. This is time for you to be strong and stop blaming anybody. Put yourself together and tell yourself that you can do this. That is what you have to do.
Right now, I don't know what to think. Right now, I'm totally blank. I can't see anything. Like, I don't know what to think anymore. But what are we going to do?
Now you're talking. And that is the spirit. Don't worry, everything is going to be fine, okay? We're going to give your mother a very good medical treatment.
Thank you. Mama, stop shaking now. Mama, why? Mama, why are you shaking? Mama, please don't do this to me. Mama, don't do this to me. Mama, please. Mama, please don't leave me. Don't leave, please, Mama. Mama, please. Papa! Papa! Oh God! Oh God, I'm feeling oh God! I'm sorry. Please, I beg you, my mother is dying. Please forgive me. If there is any I've offended you, please forgive me.
Oh, just leave my leg alone. I'm not the one you should be begging. Go and beg your father.
Please, I beg you. My mother is very sick. Please forgive us.
I don't have any case. I don't have a hand in this.
Okay. I just want to take my mother to the hospital. Can you please beg my father so that we can take her to the hospital and give her proper treatment, please?
Is that all?
That's all. Thank you.
Well, I will talk to him when he comes back. But that's not a guarantee. Let's wait for him to return.
Auntie, please, Auntie, God bless you.
Don't thank me. Don't thank me. Don't thank me.
Sorry, Tisha. Mama. My mother is dead. My mother is dead. Oh. My mother is dead. Oh. Mama. Mama! Leave me alone!
It's okay.
Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Are you happy? You have killed her. Mama! Mama, please wake up now! Wamo, ifu wangesika, kedu onye ngakosara, kedu onye ngebezara, ife shigike nandum, kedu onye ngebezara. Wamo puriche, Chukwu na ịnọzi ya, ụwa mọpụrụ iche, ife mgbu ma karịa. Ndị mmadụ na-akọze mọnụ, ọkakatiru ọkabazu. Ewu onye nwe m, bịa gbatara m ọsọ enyemaka. Ụwa m kedu onye ngakosara anyị? Ụwa m, ife ụwa ngesika, kedu onye ngakosara, kedu onye ngebezara, ife shigi ike na ndụ m, kedu onye ngebezara. Ụwa mọpụrụ iche, Chukwu na ịnọzi ya, ụwa mọpụrụ iche, ife mgbu ma karịa. Ndị mmadụ na-akọze mọnụ, ọkakatiru ọkabazu. Ewu onye nwe m, bịa gbatara m ọsọ enyemaka. Ụwa m, kedu onye ngakosara anyị? Ụwa m, ife ụwa ngesika, kedu onye ngakosara, kedu onye ngebezara, ife shigi ike na ndụ m, kedu onye ngebezara. Ụwa mọpụrụ iche, Chukwu na ịnọzi ya, ụwa mọpụrụ iche, ife mgbu ma karịa. Ndị mmadụ na-akọze mọnụ, ọkakatiru ọkabazu. Ewu onye nwe m, bịa gbatara m ọsọ enyemaka. Mama!
How have you been doing?
Fine. I thank God.
I hope you've not been crying.
Okay.
I'm sorry it took me time to come to the village to see you since I heard of your mother's death. But it was due to my containers that just arrived. So I stayed back to make sure I check everything I ordered for. Okay? I'm very sorry.
No problem. How is your business?
We thank God for His mercy. Don't worry, everything's going to be fine.
Okay. Thank God.
I know. It's okay. I'll be leaving the village very soon. But before I go, I'll make sure I drop money for your upkeep. Alright?
Thank you very much, Kuchuku. You've been the source of my strength. Thank you very much.
It's okay. It's okay. So let me drop you off.
She dey shine our village, yo. She dey shining everywhere. Our village na punakuno.
Good afternoon, auntie.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, oh. Come. Come.
Do you know me?
Yes, Auntie, I know you.
What's your name?
My name is Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi Chuku.
Yes, Auntie.
That's a nice name. Do you know you're a fine boy?
Thank you very much, Auntie.
Are you sure you know me?
You're the teacher at Umma Primary School.
Okay. I'd like you to come and see me.
Oh, okay. When, Auntie?
Tomorrow morning.
Oh, I will.
Make sure you come.
I'll come. It's a promise, I will.
Okay then.
Thank you very much. Yes, Auntie.
Our village boys don't turn to pingin baba, pingin baba. Njoko. Most of our boys don't join in, madam shine. They shine up everywhere. Njoko.
What is it? Come on, what is it?
Auntie, nothing.
Didn't you enjoy it?
I did, but...
Shh, there is no but. You are now a full-grown man. You are now a big boy. The money I gave to you, I hope you'll stay with it.
Yes, Auntie.
Fine. Go get yourself something, okay? I'll send for you again.
Yes, Auntie.
Just be a good boy.
Yes, Auntie.
Come on, give Auntie Shine a hug. Come on. Come. Mama. Be a good boy, okay?
Thank you, Auntie.
Okay. Run along. Shine, baby. Just look at sweet boy. Sweet boy riding me like a horse. I've been wasting my time on that weakling. He couldn't even do anything. Look at even name is.
It's okay, Ugo. Eh? You know what happened to her? It's not easy to lose a loved one, talk more of a mother. Please be patient with her.
Nneka, I am not asking for too much. All I'm asking is for her to give me some time, just a little of her time. At least just...
Ugo, we are talking about my friend here. Chisomi is my best friend. I know her very well. She still has feelings for you, please.
And that is exactly what I am saying. She lost her mother 6 months ago and she can't stop mourning her.
You are complaining.
I am not.
You are.
I'm not.
I thought you said you love her.
I love her. I truly do love her and I still love her.
Thank you. So give her some time, please.
See, I know, but what I'm trying to say is this. The mourning is too much.
I will. Huh? But please, just bear with her.
Mama, good evening. Keep your goodness to yourself. Do I look like your mother? If you see your mother, you will not know her.
Ma, did I do anything wrong? When I only greeted you.
Did I ask for your greeting? Did I? Please, leave my son alone. Leave him alone. He's the only one I have in this life. Please.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Please, my love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for whatever she must have said. I am really sorry.
It's okay, it's nothing. I was angry as of that time, but now I'm fine now.
I'm really sorry. I overheard her narrating the whole story on her way back from the market. I'm really sorry for everything.
I just told you it's fine. I don't hold any grudge against her. I'm okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Thank you, okay?
It's okay.
Thank you for your understanding.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything
Papa.
you dey turn am up and down.
Papa, now I'm talking to you now.
Are you dumb? Talk, I'm listening.
Papa, Gochuku wants to marry me.
He did what? Marry you?
I accepted.
Oh, really?
Life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything you dey turn am up and down. Your life is too strange. Your life is too bad. Everything you dey
Who is that
upside
shouting
down.
this is why you came to my house. I hope there is no problem.
Everything is wrong. There's a big problem. Warn your son to leave my daughter alone. Warn him to leave my daughter alone. If not,
Chifu Serem, is this why you left your house and barged into my house and started shouting my name like if you're mad? Are you out of your senses? Well, I've heard what you said. I've heard you. But be warned, I will warn my son. But make sure you hold your daughter. Let her never cross my son's path anymore.
is that all you have to say? Obusigo?
You know as well as I know that I have never supported my son marrying your daughter. Oh, don't you know?
Warn him, but he handle why you. Let him hold his tongue because of what people will say. That is my final.
Evil man. My son will not marry your daughter. Fool. When next I see you here, I will teach you a lesson. Stupid man.
Your way no dey pure.
Everything.
Oh, well, thank God. Thank God I met you here. I was on my way to your house.
To my house?
Of course.
I hope there is no problem.
Let me say there's no problem. But what is it that I heard this afternoon about you and Chief Unsere having an issue?
Oh. Don't mind that useless and evil Chief Unsere. I would have taught him a lesson he will never forget in his life today. But he's very lucky. Could you imagine he came to embarrass me in my house over the relationship between my son and his daughter? Well, I gave it back to him. Yes, you know me now. You trust me. I gave it back to him, but it's lucky.
Chief, I want you to be very careful with that man. That man is an evil man. Oh, in your jaw, Biko.
Wait, did I hear you say careful? Huh? I don't know why all of you are scared at the mention of that man. Huh? There is nothing in him. Allow me to deal with him. I will deal with him until I have humbled him to such an extent that he will regret ever being part of this community. Don't allow this evil to continue. Anyway, I don't have much to say until I see my son. When he comes back from the city, then I will not know the next line of action.
Chief, you know you are my best friend. My advice to you
is that you should keep off from that man.
Because anything that affects you affects me as well. Please.
I've heard all you said, Nduka. I thank you. And thank you for your concern. But take my word now. I will not leave that man until I have dealt with him. I will so much deal with him until I humble him to become nothing in this community. Just take my words.
We'll talk later.
Nonsense.
Of the soil. I owe no one any debt, and my hands are as clean as ever. No debt, my hands are clean.
It is said that advice is not a curse. We want what is best for you. Okay? As your parents, please listen to us. You can't marry Chisom.
Mama, I love Chisom. I love Chisom so much. And Mama, I cannot do without Chisom. Is Chisom a bad person?
No, but her father.
Her father? Am I getting married to her father or Chisom herself?
You're getting married to Chisom. But to go, her father came here to warn us over you seeing the daughter. And there's nobody that does not know in this village that Chisom's father is a dangerous man.
Mama, nothing is going to happen. Nothing will happen, Mama.
Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going. That's what I keep hearing. Go look for another girl. There's so many beautiful girls in this village. Eh? Look one more.
Okay, Mama. I've heard you. Okay? I've heard everything you just said. Yes, there are beautiful girls in this village. Okay. Have you finished cooking?
You have changed the topic.
Mama, see, I want to eat your food.
Listen to motherly advice.
But let me eat your food before I go out.
I'm almost done.
Yeah, the food will not be advice.
Like your father.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Okay. Chisom, like I told you before, I don't know what happened. I don't know at all. But my business took a different shape overnight. I don't know, I have never experienced such a thing before in my life. I have never. Can you imagine? Do you know I went to my friend? I went to my friend to borrow 2 million naira to put in this same business, and yet things are even getting worse. Getting worse by the day.
God, what kind of thing is this? Hi. I didn't know it was that serious. I was actually thinking it was just a business setback. Hey God, what are we going to do now?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. I am confused as the word confusion. I have been in this business for years now, and I have never experienced such a thing before.
It's well. I know everything will turn around for good very soon. Okay? I'm very sorry for everything.
I pray things will just come back to normal. So, tell me, how's my love doing?
I'm fine.
Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything you did turn.
Wicked evil man that does not want my progress in this life. Papa, what have I done to you? Why don't you want me to marry? Eh?
Are you by any chance talking to me, or are you referring to another person?
I'm talking to you. Don't you have eyes? Are you also blind not to see that it's just me and you here?
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about?
Are you mad?
I am not mad. See, Papa, I have come to tell you that whatever you have done to Gochuku, better go and release him. What has he done to you to drain his business? What did he do to you?
What are you saying? Are you mad?
I am not mad.
I can see you have gone insane.
I am not insane.
If you don't move from here now, I'll do something to you.
Papa, you cannot do anything. No, you think I'm afraid of you? I'm not afraid of you.
What?
Anything you know you have done to Gochuku, go and undo it. You hear me? What has he done to you? Is it wrong thing for someone to love your daughter? Do you want to marry me, Papa? Papa, what is your problem? Why are you so wicked, evil man?
What are you actually saying? Huh?
Don't even give me that pretense look, Papa. Wicked man, evil man. See, let me tell you something. If you don't go and undo it, I will tell the whole village. You hear me? Go and undo it. Else!
Else what?
I will tell the Igwe about you. I will tell him how you have been killing people, how you've been collecting people's properties and doing all sort of evil things. Better go and undo it, oh.
Go ahead and tell the Igwe you cockroach.
Papa, go and Kowase in Igwe's place, oh.
Go and Kowase. Do you have any proof?
Do I have any proof?
Ugo. Since you have decided not to leave my daughter Chisom alone, misfortune shall follow your business. As my mouth is dirty and smelling this night, so shall your business smell. So that anyone who perceives the order will run away. So shall it be.
Okay, you think I'm scared of you? I'm not scared of you. See, I know that you have tried many times to drink my blood, but my blood is very bitter. But if you try it with me, thunder will strike you.
Go, let me give you transport fare and go and tell the Igwe.
I don't need it. It's a blood money. I don't need it. Go and give it to your ancestors.
I will kill you in this place. I will kill you in this place.
Your way no dey pure. Your way no dey pure. Chief, I got bafurugi no Buddha. Chief, our family dey see kata eh.
I thought by now I would have dealt with this little cockroach called Chisom. I think she knows too much already.
Chief, you be a wicked man, yo. Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything.
What will I do now? I think I have a nice plan.
Your life is too bad. Everything you dey turn am upside down. Chief, you get a bad belly. Everything you dey turn am upside down.
Papa, you know my journey is. Papa, you know the journey is long. I have to start with.
I understand, my son. Just make sure you drive safely. Huh?
I will, Papa.
Huh?
I will.
And do not forget all that I have told you.
I won't, Papa. I won't. And take care of my mom for me.
Thank you, my son.
Okay, Papa. I'll let you know when I get back.
Good, my son.
Switched off. Why is this phone switched off now? But Ugochukwu is supposed to come immediately he got to the city. I hope it's not what I'm thinking of. Hey, okay. So this thing people used to say about city boys is true. That when they come to village like this, they just do any girl they want to sleep it. Do anything they want to do to the girl, and when they go back to the city, they will forget the girl. Hey! Hi, but Ugochukwu cannot do me like this now. Hey, Nne, you're looking very, very fine. Better than before. Yes, you're looking better than before.
What do you mean by that? Am I not fine before?
Yes, I know. And
the man is trying.
Nah.
So how are you?
I'm fine. Imakas.
And how is Sugo?
Ugochukwu. Makwam, I don't know.
You don't know? What do you mean by you don't know?
It's true, I don't know. Ever since Ugochukwu left this village, he has never called me before. So I don't know his whereabouts. I don't know.
And have you gone to their place to check? Do you go? I know cannot do that.
Okay, if Gonian.
You should try and check now. Eh? Ask the parents.
It's true. Do you know it has never occurred to me that I need to go to his compound and ask after him?
Yeah, you should check, please. It's very important.
I think that's what I need to do. Hey, wow. Please, what would you like to drink?
What would I? Udara.
Udara. We don't have Udara tree in our compound, you know now. You know this is the only tree.
Please go and look for
Ube tree. Oh, I don't like this kind of thing.
Chisom?
Now, should I give you food?
No.
What's here? Thank you. That's why I vow never to eat any other place except your dishes. Well.
Yeah.
Hello, my wife.
What are you doing in our house?
Enough, woman. Allow her to state her mission. No. How are you?
Mama, good morning.
Chisom, go ahead. Go ahead and tell me why you are here.
But since Ugochukwu left the village, he has not called me. I just came to find out if he has called you people too, because I'm beginning to think that something is wrong somewhere.
Why would you, Chisom? Why would he contact you?
Hold it, woman! Enough! My daughter Chisom, actually I am as confused as you are. Neither has he called us, but I kept trying his line over the days now. Even today I tried this line, but it always shows no availability. It's not available.
But Papa, do you think it's normal?
It is you that is not normal. Chisom, you are not normal.
Yeah.
Excuse me. You must allow this girl to be free. She has not committed any crime. Because she came to feel with us. She is exercising her disappointment over not hearing from her son. Or did you hear from him? Why are you unnecessarily aggressive against this girl? What is her sin? What has she done? Huh? Hey! Alright, will you allow me to talk now? Huh? My daughter, what are you thinking about now?
But Papa, we really have to do something about it too, because I think Ugochukwu is not fine where he is. Something terrible might have happened to him.
It is you that is not fine.
Stop it.
It is you.
Stop it.
Something will happen to.
Please. I am yet to know what this girl has done to you. What is her sin? Why are you just trying to transfer aggression? Yes, you're not happy because we've not seen our son for some time now. Is she the cause of it? Of his absence? No. Sorry, Mom. You are right. I think you have a point there. But I assure you one thing. Let me try and see how I can find solution to it. I will look for solution to it.
Alright, Papa. I have to leave now.
Don't leave. Please, go back and eat. No, feel free to eat with us. But take me.
If you touch this food,
what is wrong with you, this woman?
Leave me.
Why are you unnecessarily being aggressive against this girl? What has she done? What is her sin? Shut up!
Papa, please, I have to leave.
Go, Mom. I don't like this one minute. I don't like it. In fact, take this food away.
Eat
your food!
Please.
After.
You have not said anything reasonable concerning our son. Don't you think we should go to the city and look for him?
I don't think that will be necessary. Ugo is an adult. But I'm sure. It's okay.
But we can't just sit here and assume that everything is okay with him. But we have not heard from him. Eh? If you are not ready to go, I am. I will go to the city and look for my son.
Not until I approve of it. It's alright. Our son will be okay. It's okay. Nothing happened to our son. Take my words. Are you alright now? Now go and get me food.
Talking about my son, you're talking about food.
Women and children. The boy is okay. The son is alright, I'm sure.
Useless evil man, you have succeeded in killing my mother and also making you go poor. What else do you want? What else do you want? I ask you, Father, what else do you want? Do you want to marry me? Do you want to marry me? Don't worry. Nemesis will definitely catch up with you one day. Evil man.
Your way no dey pure. Your way no dey pure. Chief.
Nine. My husband, what are we going to do about our son's situation? We can't just leave him lying in there like that without doing anything.
Unoma, I am trying to think. Would you allow me to think?
What is there to think about now? What is there? It's obvious it's not ordinary. It is spiritual. Let's take him to the native doctor now. He will know what to do.
I will do something, I assure you. But please, allow me to think.
Now you think quick, oh. I don't want anything to happen to my son.
Nothing will happen to my son, I assure you that. Huh? Come here. Why are you screaming for help? I thought you were not afraid of death. Huh?
Papa, why are you hitting her with a stick? Leave her alone. Why?
Let me kill this little devil who calls herself my daughter.
What has she done? Leave her alone.
Let me teach this girl a lesson.
Leave her alone. Just leave her alone. Leave her what? Leave her what? Is it her business? Is it her business? See her face like rainbow.
Let me teach her a lesson she will never forget.
Leave her alone.
You devil. Come here. Come here.
Chief.
Back here. Come back
here. Alone, Chief. Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Come.
Do you have family?
Life is too bad.
Well, I have.
Come, let me go and push up a little bit.
Your way no dey pure. Your way no dey pure. Chief. Makwanyi bonyo biama o. Makwana wanyi bubode something numbongo. Imanona goze ya kamilio.
Chief,
Where do you think you are going?
Into the house. Leave her alone. Just leave her alone. Leave her alone. Take this. Let me give you the meat.
If you get a sharp husband, hold him tight.
You cannot continue like this. Biko, you need to be strong and back to your feet again. You need to triumph over our enemies. Oh God, we need to put our enemies to shame, Biko. My son, Biko, get well. Biko, please, my son, get well, please.
Uwamo, ifu wangesika, kedu onye ngakosara, kedu onye ngebezara, ife shigike nandum, kedu onye ngebezara. Uwamo puriche, Chukwu na inozi ya, uwamo puriche, ife mbu makaria. Nde maduna koze mono, okakatiru okabazu. Ewo, onye nwem, bia batara mosenye maka. Uwamo, kedu onye ngakosara. Uwamo, ifu wangesika, kedu onye ngakosara, kedu onye ngebezara, ife shigike nandum, kedu onye ngebezara. Uwamo puriche, Chukwu na inozi ya, uwamo puriche, ife mbu makaria. Nde maduna koze mono, okakatiru okabazu. Ewo, onye nwem, bia batara mosenye maka. Uwamo, kedu onye ngakosara. Uwamo, ifu wangesika, kedu onye ngakosara, kedu onye ngebezara, ife shigike nandum, kedu onye ngebezara. Uwamo puriche, Chukwu na inozi ya, uwamo puriche, ife mbu makaria. Nde maduna koze mono, okakatiru okabazu. Ewo, onye nwem, bia batara mosenye maka.
putting your leg, the other leg down.
Love one tinty, Ugongwa, love one tinty, Ugongwa, Odinobia, Ugongwa, love one tinty.
I don't know what to do this.
Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm trying to.
Love one tinty, Ugongwa, love one tinty, Ugongwa.
Njemu.
You're back already?
Yes.
No.
Thank you. Why don't you go?
It's inside.
Which inside?
Go is inside now.
Which inside now?
I don't understand. It was inside some minutes ago.
let it not be what I'm thinking now. It's okay. Come.
I won't lie to you, my dear. I don't know how it all happened. You see, before I left the village, strange things will happen. Totally strange things. As I was going on the highway, very close to the city, very, very close to the city, I still remember, strange forces. Maybe strange forces. They were dragging the steering with me as I was driving. Dragging the steering.
Ugo, it's okay. It's okay. I know that accident was not an ordinary thing. And God saved your life because your hands are clean.
God delivered me. God really delivered me because He never wanted me dead. You need to see that car. You need to see how my car was crushed. Crushed that I couldn't even recognize the car. You won't believe that someone came out of that car. Just you will not believe that someone came out of you can't. How?
It's okay, my love. Your hands are clean. I know.
You won't believe it.
It's okay. And I know who did it.
You know who did what?
Yes. It's my father that attacked you.
You can't. You can't. You can't say a thing like that about your father.
I'm not joking. It's true. I saw him when he was doing it one night. I saw him and I heard your name. My father never liked you. He never liked me. He never liked my mom. He doesn't want anything good to come to me. I'm tired. My father is evil. He is capable of doing anything. He doesn't want you to be alive. I know him. He's an evil man. Ugo, do you really love me?
I love you very much.
Then let's run away.
Run away?
Yes. I want us to run away to anywhere. Because my father that I know will never allow you to get married to me.
How can we run away?
He does not like you. Let's go to anywhere. Let's go to another village or another country or any place you want me to go with you. I don't mind staying with you.
Your father.
Please.
This hopeless man. What is my son, Ugo? Will you go and profess him immediately?
What nonsense question is that?
Nonsense question. I ask him. Go and get him immediately.
You two old fools left your house to come to my house to ask for your useless son.
Shut up, go and provide him.
We are sure that our son is with your daughter Chiso.
You will get out of here. I'm very sure that both of you have reached your way to the evil forest.
I said shut up, go and provide him. It's your house that is evil forest.
Now get out from here now. Get out from me.
Are you commanding me?
Yes, get out from.
How dare you try anything for it? Try it now, let me try it now. You are fool.
I'll show you.
Come on, look. Don't tell me. You tell me. I will kill you. I will kill you, that idiot. Look at this man. You see him, Paul? God. I'm leaving to kill this man.
Let us go now. Let's go.
Hey, not in this town.
You know it's a dangerous man. Let's go.
Wait for me, I'm coming. I will deal with you.
No, they pure. Your way, no, they pure.
Ugo, where have you been?
Nowhere, Papa. Nowhere. I just walked around just to exercise my legs. I don't go anywhere.
I don't believe you. I know you have gone to see that evil man's daughter, Chisom.
Papa, I did not go anywhere. I did not go anywhere.
And I think it's obvious you don't want to learn from your lessons. Maybe you want to do that when you're totally down.
God forbid, not my son.
Then tell your son to stay clear of that evil man and his daughter.
Ugo, you went to her.
Yes, Mama. I just wanted to see her. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I disobeyed you people.
I understand, but you should have allowed her come to you, or better still, send a message across to her. Instead of allowing her father to see that you're getting well.
Mama, her father did not see me. He did not see me. I did not allow him to see me.
Okay? We are just coming from their compound. We need to see how our father chased us out of the compound. He even poured drink on us.
Really?
That man is terrible. He's a dangerous man.
Now I know.
Ugo, please be careful.
Mama, I am.
Please. I know you love her very much, but you are the only one I've got. Please be careful.
I don't know why Papa is angry.
Said there was a party be say. If I could see Madam Shine, go the shake. This woman don't come again into Meru Maru. Yeah.
Shine.
Madam Shine, no dey mess if I call you. She dey drink one crate, extra 2
Auntie Rainbow, sorry, Auntie Shine. Good evening.
Good evening. Yes, what is it?
I came to talk to you.
You came to talk to me. What about?
Do you know who you are dining with?
What do you mean? Do I know who I'm dining with? Who is dining with who?
If you want to push up your
Can I sit down?
See ya. Auntie Rainbow, sorry, Auntie Shine. Have you bothered to ask how my brothers died? They all died mysteriously. And that is why my father hated my mother so much. He never liked anything about her because she refused to worship the same deity with him. My father is not a good man. You have to be very, very careful with him. Yes, he's into blood money. You have to be very, very careful with him.
I am short of words.
Don't be short of words, so. Auntie Rainbow, Auntie Shine. I've come to tell you so that you be very, very careful with him. Auntie Shine, I just said I should come and tell you,
I am sure Chisom has just said it all. She has told me all I needed to know about him. Okay, tell me, if truly he loves me like he always professed to me, why won't he marry me? Besides, his wife is no longer the issue now. I think there are some truth in what Chisom just said. Yes. Chief Nsiri, you better have good explanations for me.
My fellow elders,
what else can we do about Chief Nserem's problem? Well, I wouldn't know. You see, what baffles me most is that almost all the elders are cowards. That's what they are. Cowards is an understatement.
of course.
Cowardice is an understatement. Almost all of you are afraid of one man.
Count me out.
Yes. Just one man is holding the entire community to ransom. Almost everybody fear him. Another woman, that female teacher, Shanshan, is also a terror to all of us.
Chief, can't Tinyegas Makanesim know?
Go ahead, go
Do you
ahead.
know that woman tried to lure me to her bed? She wanted me to sleep with her.
That's her office. She is officiating in her office. She is Duru Kanduru, turn by turn. Are you hearing me? So let it not surprise you at all. Meanwhile, stop asking me what to do. I don't know what to do.
So now, Chief,
Go ahead.
So what do we do? That is the question. What do we do to stop this mess?
I said I don't know.
You don't know?
Until the Igbo does something about this matter. I am not the Igbo. Please, my fellow elders, I want us to pay attentively. This is my suggestion. See, I want us to realize that wisdom is profitable to direct. Chief Nserem is a red cap chief like us. Don't we have right to call him in order? Because this is getting out of hand. Very good idea. Very good idea. Go ahead and call him to order. I can't do that alone. Excuse me. Go ahead and do it on our behalf. You know whom Chief Nserem is? I can't do that alone. He's a Pumugat and a cantankerous man. I can't do that alone. It's not a matter of grammar. You are a coward.
Hi. Okay. Push it up for me a bit. Hey, Shine. Why don't you give your chief a smile? Give me a smile now, All right, now push it up for me. Oh.
Chief, you,
Yes. I know I promised you I will give you 20,000 naira.
20,000 naira for my makeup, then 5,000 naira for myself.
I know. I will give you all. Trust me.
Really?
Trust me. You remember I told you my client, of a client who said he will buy a land for me.
Okay, that one you later said he wants 2 parcels of land.
Yes. That deal will be closed. And you will give me all the money and I will give you your own.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I love you.
Now let's go inside.
Let me eat my meat first.
Hey, Onegumewu. Now let's go inside.
My husband.
My wife.
Did you send our son on errand? Because I've not seen him all morning.
No, my wife. But he is.
He is what?
He has gone back to the city.
How can he go back to the city without telling me?
You see, he said it was urgent. So he had to be in the city before 4 o'clock. And you know it's a very far journey, so he has to start going early enough.
Okay. But did you give him what we discussed? The money you're supposed to give to him?
I did. I gave it to him. But then you were fast asleep. So I decided not to bother you. He was excited. He appreciated it so much.
Oh, God. Thank God. Father, protect my son. Oh, lead him right. Let him put the money into good use.
He will. I'm sure my son will be fulfilled before he comes back again to the village.
Amen. Amen.
Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything you dey turn am up and down. Your life is too strange. Your life is too bad.
This can't be true. Ugochukwu has gone back to the city without telling me. Ha! How could you do this kind of a thing now? You don't even bother informing me before going back. This is very strange, oh. I am sure all is not well. Yes, all is not well.
Your way no dey pure, Chief. I got bafurugi no Buddha. Chief, our family dey see kata kata. Our village don't see we. Our village don't see we. Madam Shine, Madam Shine, Madam Shine. If you want to push up your Madam Shine, Aburuni choro begoru, Madam Shine, Aburuni chori begoru no nenoaje,
Shine, baby. Chief is in trouble tonight. My chief is in trouble. Shine, baby. Chief. Shine, babe. Shine, sex. Idi okay. When Chief see me this time, Idi okay. They push reality. Idi okay. Chief, here I come. I know you can't wait to see me. Chief, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
What is it?
What do you think about our relationship? I mean, what do you think about more?
About you?
I mean to say, when are you going to propose to me?
Propose. You see, I want you to cook a very delicious meal for us this night. Yes.
Chief.
Yes.
You've not said anything concerning what I just told you.
Oh, I will. I will. But first, you cook something very good. I'll get you some money to buy the stockfish.
Is that all you have to say?
No, I will say something. But look, I'll get you the money first. Let me get you some money.
Be said.
My husband, you mean you have not still heard from our son up till now?
Oh no, ma'am. How many times will I tell you that Ugo is fine? Stop worrying yourself. Or do you want to give yourself high blood pressure?
No, it's just I'm afraid. He has not called you up till now. Or have you heard from him?
No. His phone is still switched off. But I know all is well. Huh?
No, I'm afraid. Do you remember what happened last time? I don't want anything to happen to my son. No.
Enough already. Enough already. Go and get my food. My breakfast. You worry a lot. That's your problem. Huh? As if you are the God holding you. You really come with that.
Obi onye bu anwụ onye bu ọkụ anwụ na-esu ya iya obodo dị egwu hey Ikiko
Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything you dey turn am up and down. Your life is too strange. Your life is too bad. Everything you dey turn am upside down. Your way no dey pure. Your way no dey pure.
Ikiko, this is your food. I served it since yesterday, but you have never touched it. Or do I take it inside?
This is not our food.
It is, Ikiko. It is. Please. I served it personally. 2 cocks at the end of every month.
A woman's blood.
A woman's blood. How come? How come? Okay, I can replace it with. Why don't you take ram, or a goat's blood, or even a cow's blood? Huh? I can replace it. Huh? My leg. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Okumo.
Ifuga ruga bawago gezioku. Ifoja de Roma, Chifu Odo. All the bad things you commit, the repercussion don't come you. Chifu Chai.
What is smelling? Chief, is you.
Hey, don't do this. Shine the piano. Hey, piano. Shine no big push all up.
Push Buko Mugeba. I shouldn't do what to you. You are an evil man.
What are you carrying?
What am I carrying? I'm carrying money. Look at it. I'm carrying money and I'm going away with all of it.
Oh, Shai. Hey, don't do this to me now.
I'm going away. It's Igbo.
Oh.
We don't see wicked things, no they pay.
You are an evil man. You deserve to die like others. You wanted to use me and dump me. You don't know who Shai is. See how you're smelling. You deserve to die. You are an evil man.
Shai, no.
The repercussion don't come
Push up, man. Oh, push up, man.
You don't see wicked things, no they pay. If you met the bugogi.
My daughter, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Papa, what happened to you?
I am sorry, forgive me. I want to confess. Auntie Shai Shai, call my brothers. Call my brothers. Auntie Shai Shai, my money, yes, my money, oh, call my brothers. Oh.
You don't see wicked thing, no they pay. If you metere bugogio, if uga ruga gwawago gezioku, if oja derama chief odo, all the bad things you commit, oh, the repercussion don't come yo, chief oh, chai. You don't see wicked thing, no they pay. If you metere bugogio, if uga ruga gwawago gezioku, if oja derama chief odo.
I have done so much evil, even to my own family. Hey! My daughter, please, I'm very sorry.
How could you?
I'm very sorry. Yes, so I will confess. My daughter. Papa, I ruined your mother's yam barn. I made her to go bankrupt. I inflicted her with heart disease, which killed her.
You killed your own wife!
Papa, after all the things Mama did for you, after all the things she did for you, you still have the effrontery to kill her. Papa, you're very wicked. You're a very wicked man.
Look at that. Leave her to confess. Continue.
Chief Messiah, I ruined your son's business.
Huh?
Ugo, Ugo, Ugo. Aponya phone ya no for na ala. Hey, Ugo, Ugo. Onye buoko amolesu ya. Hey. This you will have an accident, and if you see this accident, la okay water. You will not live long. You will not live at all from this accident. You will die. You will die.
Hey! You did what?
Which he nearly died.
So it have been you all this while. Listen him. If I strangle you to death, then they will say I've killed somebody. Aye! Hey! What time you going to see?
Oh, God forgive me. I did all these things because of my shine.
You wanted push-up and I gave it to you.
Shut up your mouth, that place, idiot! You were the cause of all this problem.
He wanted it and I gave it to him.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Shut up! Push nonsense!
I allowed you to deal with her.
Very messy.
My daughter, I never wanted you to get married. That is why I chased all the men that were coming for your hand.
You're a very wicked man.
Forgive me, my daughter. Forgive me. Forgive me.
You all this wine. Hey? Don't talk. This is his prize.
He's already dead.
The fruit of his wickedness. Hey! Arwe, man. So all this wine, this didn't happen because of my problem. My son's business, the accident, and everything. Hey!
Iche. Man, I love money with this man now.
No, leave her.
All the bad things you commit, the percussion don't come, you. Jai.
Get it for himself. And you will face the full of me.
Love one tinty, ugo love one tinty, ugo odinobia ugo love one tinty, ugo odinobia ugo love one tinty, ugo love one tinty, ugo odinobia ugo love one tinty, ugo odinobia ugo love one tinty, ugo love one tinty, ugo odinobia ugo love one tinty, ugo odinobia ugo love one tinty, ugo love one tinty, ugo odinobia ugo love one tinty, ugo love one tinty, ugo odinobia ugo
My son, Ugo.
Mama.
How have you been? Are you okay?
You're welcome, miss.
Thank you, Papa. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank God you are okay.
Is anything the matter, son?
Nothing, Papa.
Oh.
Nothing.
Ugo. What's wrong with him?
I suspect danger. Ugo.
is your favorite. How come you're not eating?
Mama, I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry?
Mama, where is Chisom?
She's fine.
Mama, yes. I know she's fine like you just said. But where is she?
Don't worry. Just eat your food first and I will answer all your questions.
Mama, I will eat. But I want you to answer me. I'm all ears, Mama. Where is Chisom? What happened to Chisom? Is Chisom still in this village, Mama?
Easy you go. How many questions at a time? Which one am I supposed to answer first?
Mama, too many questions. Now let me ask you just one. Where is Chisom?
I think your father should be in the best position to answer that question.
My father?
Yes.
Mama, please now. Mama, tell me what happened to her.
Calm down. Calm down. 9!
Mama, what happened to my Chisom?
9! Nothing happened to her. Did I say anything?
Mama, Mama, you know Papa cannot tell me the truth. Why not just tell me what happened to her? Chisom, I am sorry I did not tell you before I left for the city. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay? I've missed you.
I missed you so much. How have you been? I missed you so much.
You know, Mama and Papa have been taking care of me.
We've been taking care of her as our wife.
Mama? They've taken care of you?
Yeah.
That's it, sir.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, my son.
Yep.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Two of you need them. Let me pray for you. This union is blessed. You will beget sons and daughters.
Amen.
Fruitful and successful shall this union be.
Amen.
As your love will stood all us, so shall you be able to tolerate each other.
Amen, Papa.
You will experience a peaceful coexistence.
Amen.
And so shall it be.
Amen.
Okay, action.
Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything you dey turn am up and down. Your life is too strange. Your life is too bad. Everything you dey turn am upside down. Chief, you get a bad belly. Everything you dey turn am upside down. If your husband come for your daughter, Ibu rubber to fear, diri your pikin no. Your way no dey pure. Your way no dey pure. Chief, I got bafurugi no Buddha. Chief, our family dey see kata kata eh. Now for your hand, every bad thing they come. You too like it to suck blood, abanya baka. Chief, you be a wicked man, yo. Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything you dey turn.